Hi everyone, this is the continued part of the chapter Factors and Multiples. Today we will discuss highest common factor or greatest common divisor, HCF or GCD. So HCF means it is the greatest number which divides two or more numbers without a remainder. It's called highest common factor. We have three methods to find the HCF of two or more numbers. The first method is common factor method, the second one prime factorization method, and the third one division method. Today we will discuss the first two methods, common factor method and prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 30, 45 and 60 using common factor method. So students, first we need to write in which table the 30, 45 and 60 comes. So check with 1. 130 is a 30, then 215 is a 30, then 310 is a 30, then by 4. 30, we can't divide 30 by 4. So then check with 5. 5 6 is a 30. Then again 6 5 is a 30. By 7 we can't divide 30. Then 10 3 is a 30. Then 15 2 is a 30. 31 is a 30. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are the factors of 30. Then check 45. 1 into 45. 1 is the common factor of all the numbers. 145 is a 45. 45 is not divisible by 2. Then check with 3. 315 is a 45. By 4 also we can't divide. So check with 5. 5 9 is a 45. Then again by 6 we can't divide. By 7 also we can't divide. By 8 also we can't divide. So again 9 5 is a 45. 15 3 is a 45. 45 1 is a 45. So the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Then write the factors of 60. So 160 is a 60. Then 230 is a 60. Then 320 is a 60. 415 is a 60. 5 into 12. 5 12s are 12 5s are 60. Then 6 10s are 60. By 7 we can't divide. And then 60 is not divisible by 8. 60 is not divisible by 9 also. Then again it repeats. 10 6 are 60. 12 5 are 60. 15 4 are 60. 23 are 60. 32 are 60. And 61 are 60. So the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Here I have written the factors of 30, 45 and 60. Students, so in this observe the common factors of 30, 45 and 60. Check with 1. Observe carefully. 1 is a common factor of these three numbers. And check with 2. 2 is a factor of 30 and 60. 2 is not a factor of 45. So then check with 3. 3 is a factor of all these three numbers. Next, check with 5. 5 is also a common factor of 30, 45 and 60. Then check with 6. 6 is only a factor of 30 and 60. It is not a factor of 45. So it is not a common factor. Then this 15. 15 is common factor of 30, 45 and 60. So here write common factors of 30, 45 and 60 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So in this, which is the highest common factor, which is the highest number? 15. So HCF is 15. The second problem, find the HCF of 170, 850 and 1700 by using common factor method. Students, I have written the factors of 170 here and factors of 850 and factors of 1700. So here, observe the common factors of these three numbers. 1 is a common factor, then 2 is a common factor of 170, 850 and 1700. Then 5 is also a common factor. Then 10 is also a common factor. 17 is also a common factor of 170, 850 and 1700. Then 34. Here 34 is also a common factor. Then 85 is a common factor of these three numbers. Then 170 is a common factor of 170, 850 and 1700. So here write 1, 2, 5, 10, 17, 34, 85 and 170 are the common factors of these three numbers. So in this, which one is the highest common factor? Which one is the greatest common divisor? So greatest common divisor is 170. So HCF is 170. Now we will discuss the second method, prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 72 and 96 by prime factorization method. So in this method, first we need to find out the prime factors of these two numbers. So first had to divide with a smaller prime number. So here check with smaller prime number. So 2. 2 3s are 6. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So it will becomes, so 1 is the carryover. So it will becomes 12. So then 2 6 are 12. Then here the first number, the first one's digit is 6, that is even number. So again check with 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 is the, here write 1. So then it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. Then again check with 2. 2 9s are 18. Then here 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Then here write the prime factors of 96. Check with 2 now. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So 1 right here. So it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Then here 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6 are 12. Then here 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So now right here prime factors of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then write prime factors of 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, then 2 into 2 into 3. So then again here find out the common prime factors. Common prime factors are, so here 2, then 2, then 2, then here 3. So here write common of 72 and 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So here write HCF. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. HCF is 24. The second problem, find the HCF of 150, 175 and 200 by using prime factorization method. So first find out 150, so check with 2, 2 7s are 14, 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. So 1 is the carryover, so it will become 10. So here 2 5s are 10. Then 3 2s are 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So here write 1. So then it will become 15. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Then next 175. 5 3s are 15. 17 minus 15 is equal to 2. So write 2 here. 2 is the carry over. It will become 25. So then 5 5s are 25. Then 5 7s are 35. 7 is a prime number. So 7 1s are 7. So then next 200. 2 1s are 2. Write 0 0. Then 2 5s are 10. Write 1 0. Then 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So 1 is the carryover. It will become 10. 2 5s are 10. Then here 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. So here write prime factors of 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then write prime factors of 175 is equal to 5 into 5 into 7. Then write prime factors of 200 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, then 5 into 5. So now find the common factors, common prime factors of 150, 175 and 200. So here 5 is the common prime factor of 150, 175 and 200. Then one more 5 is the common prime factor. So here write 5 into 5. Then HCF is equal to 5 5s are 25. This is the answer. Dear students, copy the given notes to your classwork and do the given homework. Thank you.